welcome to another session. Welcome to this channel. You are Michael the instructor. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share the link with your fellow friends. Always comment on whatever I post so that I can know your stand. I can know where to adjust. Always give your comments, or where you don't understand, I may even repeat the video. So today we are going to look at electrical installation of a two-way main switch controlling a ring circuit of two sockets and a one writing point controlled by two-way switching or two-way switches. So we shall have our main switch, a two-way main switch. So we shall put our neutral here, neutral bar. We can put our as terminal here. Then we can put our live bus bar here. So we are using the two-way main switch. So we shall put our DP here. Double pole. This is our supply. This is our as wire. So this is our circuit breaker of 32 amps going to sockets. This is our circuit breaker also of 6 amps. 6 amps for lights. Now this is our live, our neutral, and as this is the supply. So our neutral here will be looped to this neutral block. Now we shall run our circuits. For sockets, we can run them this side. If this is our socket, we have two sockets connected in a ring. So this is our first socket. This is our live. And remember, in a ring, it has to go back to the main switch. So it will have to come back, the live from the last socket has to come back to the main switch. Now we want a neutral. get our neutral here from the neutral bar, connect it to neutral, then the neutral also has to come back. Now we need connection for the earth. The earth wire will come to the earthing terminal, rope to the next socket, then also it has to come back to make a ring. Has come back to the main switch to make a ring. Now our ring circuit is finished. Now we are going to make a circuit for writing. For writing, we are told we have two we have our switches here. We have shall have our lamp here, shall have a junction box here. So we have two-way switch. Have common arrow 1, arrow 2, common arrow 1, arrow 2. So a two-way, it is a combination of two switches. You can't connect a single switch as a two-way. They have to be two switches. So we shall get our line from here, comes to the junction box. From the junction box, we go to the common of the first switch. Then we get arrow 1, arrow 1. The second switch we get arrow 2 of first switch, arrow 2, the second switch. Then we have the earthing. Now we get the ramp feed. The ramp feed passes through the JB. We need a neutron. Then the neutron connects back to the right so that it completes the circuit. So if we have our switch, our earthing terminal here. If the ramp holder has an earthing terminal, you connect it. If it doesn't have, you just leave it. So this is how This is a two-way consumer unit. This is the socket outlet 1, socket outlet 2. They are connected in a ring. This is a 1 gang two-way switch. 1 gang two-way switch. This is our junction box. This is our ramp. Our supply. So this is the passing terminal. This is the neutral. This is the Rife bus bar. So this is our, it can be 63 amps, double pole MCB. So this is our 6 amps for rights and 32 amps for sockets. So this is how you can draw a two-way main switch controlling a single ramp, which is being controlled by two-way switches. Also a ring circuit which have 2 sockets. In case they tell you to add in case they tell you that you add a spar, you can choose from these sockets. You can put our spar here. You know a spar is a branch from a ring circuit. So you can connect here your rife, you tap a spar, your neutral, then also last terminal. This one will be a spar. So that's how you can draw your circuit. So this one is the neutral rife as neutral rife. Always rife is on your right side. Rife is on the right, is always on the right side of the socket. So thank you once again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will always get updates. When you subscribe, whatever you post, you will get a notification that I have posted something. It can be easier for you to check to know that I have posted something. So you subscribe, always comment. Whatever I post, you comment on it, whether it is good or bad. You comment where I need to improve or where you don't understand. I may repeat the circuit, the video, and share the link with your friends. Thank you for watching. We meet in another session.